Hello students, in this video we are going to see the next point of fifth lesson. The name of the point is food wastage. What is the meaning of wastage? Wastage means vaya jane. Vaya jane. Okay. In the beginning only question is asked. What is the question? Can you tell how and where is food wasted? ओके खाना कहाँ कहाँ पर वेस्ट होता है और कैसे वेस्ट होता है. ओके नाउ द आंसर फॉर दिस इज दैट when we arrange the functions, ceremonies, and in that if you provide the food facility, okay, there is a big chance of wastage of food. Then even in the hotels and restaurants, there is a great chance of wastage of food. Okay, like this such means at the places where there are functions and where there is not surety about the people, how many are going to eat, at such places there is wastage of food. We see the next information. With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even so, many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of hunger. Many do not even get one meal a day. Hence, it is our duty to prevent wastage of food wherever it takes place. Okay. But comparing to the olden days, at present, science and technology has made a great progress in the field of agriculture. So due to that, the production of cereals, fruits, vegetables, pulses, fish, milk and milk products, means dairy farming, which we call, even the poultry farming, all these things, there is a lot of development, tremendous development due to science and technology. And all these farmings means maybe agricultural farming, maybe dairy farming, maybe poultry farming, even animal rearings and all that. All these things are done now with the help of technology. Scientifically, all the things are done, and even the professionally. Okay, so there is tremendous increase in the production of all these feeds. But then also, in spite of all these, then also many of the people in our country, even more than that all over the world, they face the problem of hunger. Many of the people are there, even they do not get the food for one time in a day. So due to that, many do not get one meal a day. Hence, it is our duty to prevent wastage of food wherever it takes place. So after this, what we can do, we can avoid the wastage of food. फूड का जो वेस्टेज होता है वो तो हम लोग अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी कैन प्रोवाइड food for everyone. The next main point we are going to see, that is quantitative wastage of food. Okay, food का wastage तो होता है, लेकिन the wastage of food, again it is categorized into two types. Okay, first is quantitative wastage of food. Quantitative, now this word quantitative is derived from the word quantity. Quantity means it is related with how much. Okay, कितना फूड वेस्टेज होता है, कितना वेस्टेज होता है फूड का. ओके, दिस पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. नाउ बाय विच where exactly it gets wasted. Okay, wrong methods of farming like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, improper storage, and wrong methods of distribution are some reasons for quantitative wastage of food. कहाँ वेस्टेज होता है, ये जो some of the methods are there at hand sowing of seeds, हाथ से जो सीड्स की सोइंग होती है वो. ओके, that is the first reason. Then inadequate threshing. ओके, अगर थ्रेशिंग के लिए अगर आप लोगों को अगर ठीक तरह से कुछ मशीनरी नहीं मिल रही है, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, अगर वो बैलों का वगैरह इस्तेमाल करके अगर कर रहे हो, then that can be a problem. Okay, and that lead to the quantitative wastage of food. Then improper storage. अगर storage ठीक तरह से नहीं है तुम्हारे घर में, okay, बारिश हो गई, all the grains and all that they get wet, that is improper storage. Okay, then wrong methods of distribution. Okay, and जो distribution का जहां पर काम चलता है वहां पर अगर वो method अगर गलत है, okay, वो system अगर गलत है, then that also leads to the quantitative wastage of food. Okay, all these are some of the reasons of quantitative wastage of food. Besides, much food is wasted as a result of the custom of offering and serving too much food to guests at traditional feasts or banquets. Okay, traditional feast, paramparik jevnavali. Okay, and banquets means where the lunch or dinner is given to the large number of people. Okay, that is called as banquet. Okay, had it not been wasted, all these food could have met the need of many others. Okay, so in spite of all these, कहाँ और कहाँ पर food का wastage होता है? Then at many of the customs which are done by the people for of serving food. Okay, किसको food serve किया जाता है? Mostly the guests and relatives. Okay, then suppose when you plan for the 100 people, okay, and if only 50 people come and they enjoy the food, the remaining food of the remaining people gets wasted. Okay, so it happens in many of the traditional feast and banquets. Okay, then we should think that whatever the food is left over, if that food will be given to the needy people, they will satisfy their hunger. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now we will go to the next point, second type of wastage of food, that is qualitative wastage of food. यानी food का wastage तो हो रहा है, लेकिन कैसा हो रहा है? Quality wise हो रहा है. Quality wise यानी food खराब होना. Okay, that is called qualitative wastage of food. अब food कैसे खराब होता है? That we will see the different one. Using wrong methods of protecting food. Okay, now suppose when you get some food in your house, okay, and if you do not protect your food properly, in proper way, it gets affected by the insects, microorganisms, all that. Okay, the food gets wasted. This is for first point. Second point is excessive use of food preservatives. What is the meaning of preservatives? The chemicals, or we can say substances, which are added in the food for the purpose of preserving the food. Just say example, pickle. Pickle means लोणचं. Okay, in that what is added? Either jaggery यानी गुड़, यानी किसमें ऐड किया जाता है? गुड़ आंबा. Okay, or salt is added in the pickle. Meat mix किया जाता है लोणचं. Okay, it is that salt works as a preservative. Okay, when these preservatives are used in the excessive amount, then the food gets wasted. Then next point is overcooking. As it is explained earlier, overcooking leads to the wastage of food. Overcooking यानी अगर कोई भी एक आधा वेजिटेबल है, ओके, अगर उसका कुकिंग अगर आप लोगों को 5 मिनट तक करना है, अगर वो कुकिंग अगर 10 मिनट तक चला तो दैट फूड गेट्स वेस्टेड. ओके, यानी उसके अंदर जितने भी constituents है, all those constituents gets wasted with the water vapor. Okay, they gets converted into water. With the water vapor they get lost. Okay, so this also leads to wastage of food. Then washing the vegetables after cutting them. When you cut the vegetables, okay, and after that if you wash it, then many of the constituents they get washed away with the water. So washing vegetables after cutting, that is also very harmful and it leads to wastage of food. Then next is mishandling of fruits. If the fruits are not handled properly, then the fruits gets wasted like grapes and mangoes. Then miscalculation of the time required to transport food from producers to consumer. अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी any of the food item, if you want to transport it from one place to another place, then you must calculate the timing. Okay, suppose example we take milk. Okay, the milk can be preserved only for suppose 3 days. Okay, even after pasteurization. And suppose if you require 4 days, 5 days, then naturally it will get wasted. Okay, all these are some of the reasons, okay, or causes which leads to qualitative wastage of food. Okay, remember the points. Qualitative wastage of food. What are the reasons? Excessive use of food. Excessive use of food preservatives, number 1. Number 2, overcooking. Number 3, washing the vegetables after cutting them. Number 4, mishandling of fruits. Okay. Number 5, miscalculation of time required for transport. These are the 5 reasons by which the food gets wasted quality wise. So it is called as qualitative wastage of food. The next point is there for us. What is it? It is, what can you do to prevent food wastage and spoilage? Okay, up till now we have learned about the food wastage also and food spoilage also. Okay, तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके लिए हम लोग क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Number 1 point is given, serve yourself only as much as you can eat. Okay, तो उतना ही खाना लो जितना आप लोग खा सकते हो. डिश में खाना खाते हैं तो डिश में उतना ही खाना ले लो जितना आप लोग खा सकते हो. Don't take unnecessarily more food and don't waste it. Number 2, avoid overcooking. खाना जितने टाइम वो उसका कुकिंग की प्रोसेस होनी चाहिए उतने टाइम वो उसका कुकिंग चलना चाहिए. Okay, unnecessarily don't overcook the food. Okay, now we see the third point. It is, avoid throwing away leftover food and reuse it in a proper way. Means what? Whatever the food is left over, do not throw it. Try to avoid it. Okay, how we can avoid it? Now many of the people are there that whatever the food is cooked in the morning, suppose maybe at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, they do not eat it in the evening. Okay, that food can be used on the same day. It can be used. It can be reused. Okay, but they do not eat. Then such type of food gets wasted. Okay, here the same point is told, reuse it in a proper way. What are the proper ways? Then we can heat it. Okay, then after heating, it gets safe. It becomes safe for eating. So reuse it in a proper. That we cannot say that eat as it is, but reuse it in a proper way. Next point is number 4. Buy only as much grain, vegetables, fruits, milk, etc. as you need. Avoid the temptation to make excessive purchases. Okay, so you try to buy the things only as much as you need. Like examples are given, grains are there. Grains means dhanya, vegetables means bhajipala, fruits means phal, milk. Okay, all these things. Try not to purchase more than your living. Okay, more than limit. Don't purchase more than limit. Okay, whatever is required. I suppose grains are there. Suppose how much is required for your specific limit, maybe 1 month or 2 months, means up to where you can maintain it. Okay, only that much only you purchase it. Vegetables, then for how many days you can maintain the vegetables? Maybe for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 8 days, whatever your limit is or your abilities. According to that only purchase the vegetables, fruits and milk. Okay. Avoid the temptation. Temptation means what? मोह. Okay. ज्यादा खरीदी करने का मोह वो थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करना है। ओके, उससे क्या होगा, तो जो ये वेस्टेज होता है वो होगा। देन स्टोर ग्रेन्स एंड अदर पेरिशेबल फूडस्टफ्स लाइक वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, मिल्क एक्सेट्रा यूजिंग प्रॉपर मेथड्स। ओके, जो पेरिशेबल सब्सटेंसेस है, पेरिशेबल का मतलब क्या है, लवकर खराब होनारे, कौन से हैं, वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स एंड मिल्क। ओके, मिल्क तो देखो एक दिन से ज्यादा चलता नहीं है, अगर लेकिन उसको अगर ठीक तरह से अगर प्रिजर्व करते हैं तो देन इट कैन बी यूज फॉर 2-3 days, but normally it is said that use it only for 1 day. Then same way vegetables are there, fruits are there, if you store it properly then they can be used for some days. Okay, or else they get wasted. Number 6 point is there, check the expiry date of bottled can, packed food and use within that time. Okay, now this is little bit different point. Whatever foodstuffs are sold in the bottled form, in the can form or packed food. Okay, now bottled we can say, suppose now the jam, jellies, the same way even the can food also. Packed food means now many of the food items, eatables, okay, they are sold in the packets. Okay, always while purchasing, even the biscuits are there in that. Okay, all these foods while purchasing you must check the expiry date. If you read the total complete wrapper of these packings, on that total clearly it is mentioned about the manufacturing date, expiry date, all these things are mentioned on the paper. Only the thing is that we should read it. Okay, after the expiry date we should not use the food, we should not eat the food. Next point is their 7th point, eat all the food that you have served yourself. अपने डिश में जितना खाना भी लिया है, total food you must eat. Okay, or else that is also one type of wastage of food. To the right side, what is given, observe and discuss. What you have to observe and what you have to discuss. What can we do to avoid use of rice grains as akshada and to prevent wastage of food, wastage of rice grains as akshada? How we can prevent it? Now in many of the marriage functions, even which I have visited, in those marriage functions, instead of rice grains or akshada we say, okay, many of the peoples have started using the flowers, even the marigold flowers. Okay, those marigold flowers, they are distributed to all the people, and after all performing all the rituals, all the people, they throw the flowers on the bride and bridegroom. Okay, because of this what happens, whatever the 10 kg, 20 kg, 50 kg, 100 kg rice grains or akshada we say, okay, all that which is distributed to all the people, and those people just they throw it. Okay, all that it is avoided, the wastage of that rice grain is avoided. Okay, and it prevents the wastage of food, okay, during the wedding feast. One more main point is given, that is 16th October. Remember this lesson, 16th October, which is celebrated as World Food Day. World Food Day. Okay, what is the intention behind this? The intention is to work towards food security and avoid food wastage. To remember or to remind all the people, okay, the government, okay, not only our government, but at the international level, this day is celebrated as the World Food Day. Okay, now here we end up the video. The remaining point will be continued in the next video. Okay.